Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Today we will learn the hands-on part of GL accounting configuration. So let's start step by step. First, we define chart of account. T code is OB13 and path SPRO IMG financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, GL accounting, preparations, and edit chart of account list. Edit chart of account list. Now click on new entries. Define chart of account. I am going to define VM01. Define your company code here. It's not a mandatory, but it's better to keep the chart of accounts name the same as the company code. So my company code is VM01 and chart of account also VM01. Description: VM01 chart of account. And language English. Length I'm going to 10. Save. Under Bhumi test tier. Okay, data was saved. Now second configuration is assign company code to chart of account. Our second configuration is assign company code to chart of account. T code is OB62 and path is SPRO IMG financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL account, preparations, assign company code to chart of account. Okay, assign company code to chart of account. Just click. Now click on position. Give your company code. My company code is VM01 and give chart of account. So chart of account also VM01 and enter save. Under Bhumi test tr. Okay, data was saved. Next, define account group. T code is OBD4 and path is SPRO IMG SPRO IMG financial accounting general ledger accounting and master data GL account, preparations and define account and define account group. Click on New Entries. See, normally we have four types of accounting group. It's related to finance only. Cash, stock, RETA means retained earning account group, and APAR means account payable and receivable. Our chart of account is VM01, account group stock, name, stock and inventory, here from account to account. Here we give some number range, like I'm going to give 50,000 to 59,000. Next, our company code or chart of account name is VM01. Cash, name, bank. Here I'm going to 60,000 to 69,000. Chart of account, our chart of account is VM01 and account group APAR means account payable and receivable. Account payable and receivable. And from account to account, 70,000 to 79,000. Next, VM01 and RETA means retain earning. Retain earning. And I'm going to give number range 80,000 to 89,000. Okay, and just save. Why? Under Bhumi test tier. Next, we are going to define retain earning account. T code is OB53 and path is SPRO SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting and general ledger account. General ledger account, master data, GL account, preparations, and define retain earning account. Chart of account, our chart of account is VM01. Enter. Here we define our RETA, retain earning account group. So RE, and we define RETA 80,000. Our retain starting from 80,000, so we give here 80,000. Okay, and RE means RETA, retain earning group. Enter and save. Under Bhumi test TR. So that's all for today. I hope today's topic is clear. In the next lecture, we will cover controlling. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.